Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the PepeWifHat token. Now this is a brand new token. Their pre-sale is going to start very soon on pinksale.finance. I'm going to leave a link to this pre-sale down there in the description box and in the comment section so you guys can easily find this, this pre-sale. Now these WifHat tokens have been very popular lately. There's been Bonk WifHat, Dog WifHat, Elon, Baby, all these different WifHat tokens come out. Now we have PepeWifHat, ticker symbol PIF. This is going to be a public pre-sale. It's a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. Max contribution for this pre-sale is 1.5 BNB. So that's to decentivize whales from buying too much tokens and then pump and dumping the tokens. So all you could spend on this pre-sale per wallet is 1.5 BNB. Now they have a full audit here by InterFi Network, and you can check out that audit on PinkSale as well. And yeah, we're going to go over the information on the PepeWifHat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, public pre-sale, you don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. Links will be down below if you're looking for the pre-sale. Ticker symbol PIF, PepeWifHat is the name of the token. Welcome to the ultimate meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain, with a playable game to earn tokens while you play. Huge partnerships with well-established Binance Smart Chain projects. Huge marketing on Telegram, Twitter, decentralized exchanges, banners, Facebook, TikTok, DEX tools and AVE and DEXView trending, and so much more. Join our Telegram and play the game now. So you can join their Telegram, which is linked on the PinkSale page, or you can just go to @PepeWifHat BNB on Telegram. 397 subscribers on the Telegram. You can preview the channel. Now they also have a Twitter, which I'm going to put up on the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find that, @PepeWifHat BEP20. And you can see there's a link to their webpage right there, PepeWifHatToken.xyz. And their Telegram is linked on there as well. They have 3,255 Telegram or Twitter followers so far, 3 tweets, and they just joined in March 2024. So that's how brand new this project is. So yeah, pre-sale will be starting very soon. So for the pre-sale information here, it starts exactly March 10th at 18 hours UTC time. And there's no hard cap on this pre-sale, so it's just going to go for the full time, which is 3 straight days. So it goes from March 10th, 18 hours UTC time, until March 13th, 18 hours UTC time. So it's a 3-day pre-sale. Soft cap is 10 BNB, no hard cap. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the PIF token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, PepeWifHatToken.xyz. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we'll try to find that in a second here. So they have a full audit by IntraFi Network that you can check out on PRESALE. 18 decimal places on this token, 1 billion total supply. Initial market cap estimate for this pre-sale is $6,458. How the tokens are split up here. 48.78% of the tokens go to pre-sale. 25% of the tokens get burnt. 10% go to central exchange listings. And 16.21% go to liquidity. There's also a quick audit by BlockSeifu in the discussion section, and there's no warnings on their quick audit whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot set blacklist. Owner cannot set fees. Owner cannot pause trading, and proxy contract in token is not found. So those are all good check marks there. Now it says PepeWifHat. We all know Pepe is the biggest meme coin out there till now. Now the only thing missing is a hat. Of course, I knew it the whole time. It was just a hat. PIF is the combination of two of the biggest memes in the crypto space, Pepe and the WifHat token. So, from a long shadow cast by a giant Pepe emerges a new, better version, bigger, stronger, better, and WifHat. Get ready for the king of this bull run, a token so memorable its success will echo through time, combining the iconic Pepe meme with the WifHat hype. We bring you a meme that will conquer the crypto space and create an ever-growing community that cannot be bound. Join us, have fun, hold on to your hats, and let's make PepeWifHat the next game-changing meme. So on their webpage, you will be able to click on a live chart. You will be able to click on a Buy Now button that will take you to PancakeSwap. But for now, a link will be down below to the pre-sale. Hold on to your hats. Join us on this domination of the Binance Smart Chain, a journey as we expand our reach and achieve new heights. Apart from the name itself, PepeWifHat has more attractions to offer. There's going to be an addictive game starring himself, and you'll be glued to the screen, it says. We value our community. We want to reward those who are playing and working to implement the play-to-earn system where you can win PIF tokens. The more advanced you get, the higher your score, the bigger the prize. We're also planning on a game with new levels and new maps, and you can chart through and explore the Pepe's world here. Also, game would not be complete without an NFT collection, so they're going to work on different characters, different in-game NFTs you'll be able to use, and it will be available on both iOS and Android, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, it says no taxes, so if you are going to buy or sell this token later on from PancakeSwap, you probably will not have to set slippage. They're going to work on some central exchange listings in the future, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, all that type of stuff. So check this token out. Links will be down below. Let me know in the comment section about what do you guys think about this project. Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.